The CDC reported Friday a multi-state investigation which began on April 2, 2019, when PulseNet identified the Salmonella outbreak. As of April 12th, 93 people infected with the outbreak strain of Salmonella have been reported from 9 states: Alabama, Illinois, Indiana, Kentucky, Michigan, Minnesota, Missouri, Ohio, and Wisconsin. Illnesses started on dates ranging from March 4th, 2019 to March 31st, 2019. Ill people range in age from less than 1 to 98 years, with a median age of 53. 57% are female. Of 53 people with information available, 23 people have been hospitalized. No deaths have been reported. Epidemiological and traceback evidence indicates that pre-cut melon supplied by Caito Foods of Indianapolis, Indiana, is a likely source of this multi-state outbreak. In 2018, 77 people infected with the outbreak strain of Salmonella were reported from 9 states, also linked to Caito Foods.